Right, people. problems. My big Honda HRX 476, the drive cable's about to snap on it. Now, the cables for them things ain't cheap, so I'm going to try and attempt a repair on it. I don't know if you can see that. That goes through them holes, and then the I'm going to do that. See, and the other end goes on there. And you crimp it together. You have to put some force on that to squash it. And I learned this basically from Micks Mowers. He even sent me a link, you know, to these. So I'll keep a load of them in stock. Probably about 100 in there. That's me for the rest of my life. So I'll show you the cable on the one outside. Hang on. It's got one strand left, so I'm going to cut that about here, and then put two of them crimps on it. So we'll see how it goes in a second. Right, that's on. See it? Now if we push this, let's give it a test. Result. That's how I've been fixing on cable. If anybody needs any specs for one of these mowers, that lawnmower came with the owner's manual. Just let me know and I'll photocopy it and send it to you. Well, glad that's sorted. So, cheers Mick. So far I've done that about 3 times on customers' mowers as well, and it works really well. I haven't got a voice. I keep meaning to get one, but if you crimp them enough times with that, like, put it so you it does the job. So in the words of AJP, jobs are good, and catch you in the next one, folks.